Want a natural tan without sun, UV beds, or messy lotions? Savanna Skin Tanning Gummies claim to give you golden glow from within. But do they actually work, or are they just marketing hype? Let's break it down. So, Savanna Skin Gummies are marketed as a daily beauty supplement made from plant-based antioxidants and carotenoids like beta-carotene, lycopene, and astaxanthin that they say build up in your skin over time to create a healthy bronze glow without UV exposure. Here are the possible benefits. You might see a slight warmer tone in your complexion over several weeks. Not dramatic, but noticeable to some users. The supplement contains antioxidants like vitamin C and E, which are generally good for skin health. No messy self-tan application, and no UV damage risk. This approach is gentle and may support a subtle glow, not instant tan. But here's the reality check. These gummies don't support melanin production like real tanning from sun exposure. They cannot give you a deep bronze tan. The pigment buildup is subtle and takes weeks of consistent use. There's no clinical proof showing dramatic tanning results, and independent tests on this specific product are lacking. Some dermatologists warn high doses of beta-carotene and simple supplements could tint skin orange rather than produce a true golden glow. And excessive vitamin A can have health risks, especially in sensitive populations. Health authorities warn against relying on unapproved tanning consumables for real tan results. No tanning gummies are officially approved medicines or replacements for safe sun habits. So are Savanna Skin Tanning Gummies real or fake? It's real as a supplement but overhyped for tanning. They can gently warm your skin tone over several weeks by building carotenoid pigment inside your skin, but they do not give a deep true tan like UV exposure or traditional self-tanners. Expect subtle changes, not dramatic bronzing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.